Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase eBay selling limits. Starting small on eBay, that's normal. eBay limits how many items you can list when you're new. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to increase your selling limits and grow your business faster. The first step is to check your current selling limits. And to do that, just go to eBay. Make sure you log in using your eBay's account. If you don't have an account already, just create a new one by clicking on register in the top left corner and enter your new account's information. Once you create it, click on the sell here button and click on overview. Now after you click on overview, scroll down to the monthly selling limits. You'll see how many items or the total value you can list. Now as you can see here, you're often not eligible for selling limit increase because eBay tells you need to update your account and sell for at least 30 days before you can request a selling limit increase. Here you won't find the monthly selling limits. The second step is to build a strong seller record. To qualify for limit increase, you're gonna have to ship on time, maintain positive feedback, and avoid any policy violation. As for the third step is to request a limit increase. And you can do that by clicking on request to list more near your monthly limits. Choose to speak to eBay support or follow the prompts. And eBay may ask for more account information or selling history. Continue here. And as for the fourth step, consider upgrading to a business account. If you're scaling up, switch to a business seller account for higher limits. Once approved, you'll be able to list more items and earn more. List consistently and don't overprice your items, and always resolve buyer issues faster. This helps for your case. And eBay reviews your account monthly, so keep improving. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.